from prestigious New York University. This opens up a new era for us, which we call post-globalism. This opens up new scenarios, but also social initiatives, alternatives. For example, based on new technologies like blockchain, which allow for the tokenization of society and the issuance of currency outside of central banks. And a digital distributed democracy is also possible, especially putting energy at the center of the economy and society. From the thermodynamic point of view, which is humanity's greatest challenge, and not other things they tell us, like the carbon footprint,